Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get rid of deodorant stains from your clothes using simple and effective methods right at home. We've all been there. You put on your favorite shirt, only to notice those annoying white marks on the fabric or those stubborn yellow stains that seem impossible to remove. It's frustrating, right? But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tackle this problem without damaging your clothes. These solutions use everyday household items, making them not only effective but also budget-friendly. Let's start with why these stains appear in the first place. White marks from deodorant happen when the aluminum compounds in antiperspirants mix with the residue on your skin. On the other hand, those stubborn yellow stains form over time when the aluminum reacts with sweat, creating a buildup that clings to fabric. The chemical reaction between the aluminum salts and your body's natural proteins creates a bond that becomes increasingly difficult to break the longer it sits on your clothing. You might notice these yellow stains are particularly common on white t-shirts or around the underarm areas of your favorite blouses and dress shirts. But the good news is that these stains are completely removable with the right techniques. If you're dealing with fresh deodorant marks, the quickest fix is something you probably have on hand right now: a pair of pantyhose, a dryer sheet, or even a microfiber cloth. Just rub the affected area gently, and you'll see those white marks disappear almost instantly. The slight abrasiveness of these materials works like magic to lift away the fresh residue without damaging the fabric underneath. I discovered this trick by accident when I was rushing to a meeting and noticed deodorant marks all over my black dress. With nothing else available, I grabbed a pair of pantyhose and was amazed at how quickly the marks vanished. This method works great for last-minute touch-ups before heading out. But what about those deeper, set-in stains? For more stubborn stains, one of the best solutions is using a mixture of baking soda and water. Just take about 4 tablespoons of baking soda and mix it with a little water to form a paste. Apply this paste directly to the stain and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. The baking soda will work to break down the stain and absorb the oils trapped in the fabric. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps to neutralize the acidic compounds in the deodorant and sweat mixture, gently lifting them from the fabric fibers. Once it has dried, scrub the area gently with an old toothbrush and rinse it out with cold water before tossing it into the wash. This method works wonders on yellow stains and is a great natural alternative to harsh chemical stain removers. Another powerful method is using white vinegar. Vinegar is known for its stain-fighting properties, and it works especially well on deodorant stains. The acetic acid in vinegar breaks down the alkaline compounds in deodorant, dissolving the bonds between the stain and your clothing. Just soak the stained area in a mixture of 1 part white vinegar and 2 parts water for about an hour. After that, gently scrub the stain with a soft brush, rinse, and then wash as usual. If the stain is really tough, you can also mix vinegar with baking soda for extra stain-fighting power. When these 2 ingredients combine, they create a fizzing chemical reaction that helps lift the residue and break down the buildup, leaving your clothes looking fresh and clean. I've saved countless shirts using this method, including a beloved cotton blouse that I thought was ruined forever after months of deodorant buildup. For those dealing with tough, set-in stains, hydrogen peroxide can be a game changer. Mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and dish soap, and apply this powerful stain-fighting mixture to the affected area. The hydrogen peroxide acts as a mild bleaching agent, the baking soda provides gentle abrasion, and the dish soap helps break down the oils in the stain. Let it sit for about an hour, then scrub gently and wash the garment as usual. Hydrogen peroxide works as a natural bleaching agent, helping to lift those deep yellow stains without damaging the fabric. The oxygen molecules in hydrogen peroxide break the chemical bonds of the stain molecules, effectively lifting them from the fabric. Just be sure to test it on a small hidden area first, especially for colored fabrics, to make sure it doesn't cause any fading. I've successfully used this method on stains that had been set for months and was amazed at how well it restored my clothes to their original condition. If you need a quick fix and don't have time for soaking, another great option is lemon juice. The natural acidity of lemons helps break down the stain, similar to vinegar. Just rub a slice of lemon directly onto the stain, let it sit in the sun for a bit, and then wash as usual. The citric acid in lemons is a natural bleaching agent, and when combined with the sun's UV rays, it creates a powerful stain-removing effect. The sun helps enhance the bleaching effect, making this a great natural method for white clothing. This technique has been used for generations before commercial stain removers were widely available, proving that sometimes the old methods are still the best. Another surprising but effective solution is aspirin. Crush up a couple of aspirin tablets, mix them with water to create a paste, and apply it to the stain. Let it sit for about 30 minutes, then rinse and wash. The salicylic acid in aspirin helps break down the stain molecules, making it easier to remove in the wash. This method works particularly well on protein-based stains like those created by the combination of sweat and deodorant. I was skeptical when I first heard about this trick, but after trying it on a severely stained workout shirt, I became a believer. The results were impressive, with stains that had resisted multiple regular washings finally coming clean. For delicate fabrics like silk or wool, you'll want to be extra careful. These natural fibers require special attention to prevent damage during the stain removal process. A gentle approach is using a mild detergent or baby shampoo mixed with cold water. Dab the stain lightly with the solution, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse with cold water. The gentle surfactants in baby shampoo are designed to clean without harsh chemicals, making them perfect for delicate fabrics. Avoid scrubbing too hard, as delicate fabrics can get damaged easily. Instead, use a soft cloth or your fingertips to work the solution into the fabric gently. For silk items, you might want to consider taking them to a professional dry cleaner if the stains are particularly stubborn, as silk can be permanently damaged by improper cleaning techniques. One important tip to prevent deodorant stains in the first place is to let your deodorant dry completely before putting on your clothes. This simple step can make a huge difference in reducing white marks and buildup. The few extra seconds it takes for your deodorant to dry allows the product to adhere better to your skin rather than transferring to your clothing. So there you have it, several effective ways to remove deodorant stains and keep your clothes looking fresh and stain-free. Whether it's a quick fix with a dryer sheet, a deep clean with baking soda, or a powerful stain-fighting combo of hydrogen peroxide and dish soap, you now have the tools to tackle even the toughest stains. The best approach often depends on the type of fabric and how set in the stain is, so don't be afraid to experiment with different methods to find what works best for your specific situation. With these tips and techniques, you'll never have to throw away a favorite shirt because of deodorant stains again. Your clothes will last longer, look better, and you'll save money by not having to replace stained items. Try these methods out and let me know which one works best for you. I'd love to hear about your success stories and any other stain-fighting tips you might have discovered along the way.